Just a few drops can completely transform your home. You'll notice the difference right away. It's a brilliant trick my neighbor accidentally discovered. Start by grabbing a tall container. Add 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Its strong aroma and natural compounds make it perfect for this. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps eliminate bacteria and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then pour in 5 tablespoons of dish soap. The ratio matters. Dish soap acts as an emulsifier. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth liquid. Pour it into a spray bottle and toss in a few whole cloves. Their strong, spicy scent has both repelling and antiseptic properties. Now it's time to use it. Spray your kitchen counters, windowsills, table, or any other area. This simple mixture makes an incredibly effective insect spray. Its smell is unbearable for bugs. Just a few ingredients can make your home feel fresh and pest-free for a long time. Put this by your front door and your problem will be gone faster than you think. No other method works quite as well as this one. This clever trick is truly irreplaceable. All you need is a regular plastic bottle, preferably a large one, like the kind used for water or soft drinks. Tear off a few strips of aluminum foil and roll them into small balls. The foil is the key ingredient in this trick. Next, fill the bottle with water, about 2/3 full. Drop in the foil balls and tightly close the bottle with a standard cap. That's it. The bottle may look simple, but believe me, it works wonders. It acts like an invisible barrier. Just place it near your front door, along the side of your house, on your porch, or even in the garden. The light reflecting off the water and foil, both during the day and at night, effectively scares away unwanted animals. Stray cats, dogs, and even wild animals like deer will steer clear of your home. This method is perfect if you live in the countryside or near the woods. No chemicals, no special tools, just a simple, effective, and free solution. Hang cinnamon on a tree branch. You'll quickly thank me for this trick. It's a simple yet highly effective method. But before you do, prepare the cinnamon. Break a cinnamon stick into smaller pieces and put them into a grinder. Blend into a fine powder. Cinnamon has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties and has been used for centuries as a natural repellent. Pour about 10 fluid ounces of hot water into a tall container. Add the ground cinnamon and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. Its intense scent is relaxing and soothing for people, but also acts as a repellent. After mixing, let the mixture sit for 1 hour. Then strain it through a sieve. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Use this spray on all the places where unwanted guests appear in your garden. But that's not all. Take a piece of cinnamon bark and thread a string through it. Tie the ends tightly so it holds well. Hang it on a tree branch or another spot. This method also repels flies and mosquitoes. Plus, your garden will smell wonderful. Try it yourself and feel the clear difference. The aphids disappeared after just 1 use. You won't find this in any store. All it takes is a few minutes and a homemade spray made from ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Aphids suck the sap from plants, weakening the leaves and making them more vulnerable to damage. Here's a simple way to make an organic solution that gets rid of pests in your garden. Pour about 1 1/4 cups of vinegar into a tall container. Vinegar disinfects and repels with its strong smell. Now add 1 tablespoon of neem powder, a natural ingredient from the neem tree that repels pests without harming plants. Next, add 1/2 tablespoon of hot red pepper. It contains capsaicin, which has a strong smell and taste. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of ground black pepper. The intense aroma drives aphids away. Add a little liquid soap to help the solution stick to the plants. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the mixture through cheesecloth. Add some water, then pour it into a spray bottle. This mixture works great on both vegetables and flowers. It's fast, natural, and effective. Use it as soon as you spot aphids. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. The best way to use a mosquito coil without lighting it. It's simple and truly surprising. Instead of lighting the coil, hold it under a stream of lukewarm water until it becomes soft and flexible. You won't find this trick on the packaging. Once the coil softens, break it into small pieces and put them in a bowl. Then add about 100 milliliters of alcohol. This is an important ingredient that makes the scent stronger and last longer. Next, squeeze the juice of half a lemon and mix it into the mixture. Lemon contains natural essential oils and acids that effectively repel insects, plus it adds a fresh, pleasant aroma that masks the coil's smell. Preparing the whole thing takes less than 2 minutes. Place the mixture on your terrace or balcony. Its scent will keep mosquitoes away effectively. The best part is that the coil doesn't need to be lit to work. The effect is just as strong and even lasts longer than when used traditionally. Just put the bowl on the table and relax outdoors without unwanted guests. It's a clever and convenient way to enjoy summer evenings. This is stronger than anything you've tried so far in the battle against powdery mildew. You'll eliminate the disease in just 1 day. I'll show you 2 mixtures you need to know. Start by preparing a larger jar. Add 3 tablespoons of garden sulfur. Sulfur acts as a disinfectant, inhibits spore development, and strengthens plant immunity. Pour in 33.8 ounces of water and mix well. The powder must dissolve. Transfer the solution to a sprayer and remember to dilute it with 169 ounces of clean water. Spray the leaves with this mixture. It's an effective protective barrier against powdery mildew. Regular spraying will stop the infection. But that's not all. You can also use this white powder. Baking soda has alkaline properties. It creates an environment where fungi can't survive. Add the baking soda to the sprayer. Dissolve 1.8 ounces of baking soda in 338 ounces of water. Use it the same way as the first mixture. With these 2 solutions, your plants will gain a natural shield against powdery mildew, and you'll strengthen your entire garden's immunity. This solution works throughout the whole season.